Hey, cocktail enthusiasts! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we've got a seasonal treat for you, the Pumptini, a delightful pumpkin-infused martini that's sure to spice up your evening. If you're ready to shake things up, let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 2 ounces pumpkin spice vodka. 1 ounce vanilla liqueur. Half an ounce maple syrup. Half an ounce heavy cream. Ice. Cinnamon and sugar. Cinnamon stick, for garnish. Before we start mixing, make sure to chill your martini glass in the freezer. Now, let's move on to rimming the glass with cinnamon and sugar. This adds a sweet and spicy touch to every sip. Simply moisten the rim with a wedge of lemon, and gently dip it into a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. Voila! A festive touch to our pumptini. Now, let's get mixing. Grab your cocktail shaker and add in the star of the show 2 ounces of pumpkin spice vodka. Next up, 1 ounce of vanilla liqueur, followed by half an ounce of rich maple syrup. This will bring out those warm autumn flavors. Now, for a touch of creaminess, add in half an ounce of heavy cream. Don't forget to toss in some ice cubes to give it that refreshing chill. Secure the lid on your shaker and give it a good shake. Feel the excitement building as those flavors blend together. Once you've got a nice frost on your shaker, it's time to strain the mixture into our pre-rimmed martini glass. And for the finishing touch, a cinnamon stick to stir and infuse that extra hint of spice. There you have it, the Pumptini, a festive and flavorful pumpkin martini that's perfect for any fall gathering. Cheers to the season! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious concoctions, and let us know in the comments what seasonal drink you'd like us to tackle next. Until next time, happy mixing!